Hi everyone, this is KT here. Today is November 14th, Friday, last day of the trading week. Let's take a look at the watch list here. Basically, we have VIX plus 0.35%. Initially, it was plus 10%. So market was very bearish. Now it's recovering here. However, generally, all the stocks are having a negative price action here. Significant moves here, we have NBIS and also JD. And then so far it's close to 2% move here. So overall in all, it looks calm here. But let's take a look at Finvis. There's a recovery after a steep sell-off here. Okay. Market is still very choppy now. Um, did some trades here. Decided to close some positions to maintain some accessibility. Let's take a look here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Starting here, close some NBIS and CRW positions here. About a debit of 21.5, debit of 40.8, and then sold some stocks to get out of this position here. Got a credit of 75.75 here. Then also close some puts for CRWV. Got a debit of 9.32 here. And then we saw that and then I sold more calls on CRWV and CRM and Pfizer and CRW uh, and also sold puts for CRWV to gain some profit here. So overall, you can see that there is a change in direction. I'm quite bearish on CRWV and also NBIS here. So it's like another direction here. And also for the general market for the next few weeks, I think it's going to be in a bearish position. So just selling out of the money calls here, and then hopefully that it will be uh, expiring out of the money. So these are all pseudo nickel calls, means that I will have the cash to be able to buy back all this. So overall, the portfolio here took a hit, um, and then basically it's back to accumulation phase because the market was quite bullish and everything is overbought. So now it's to rebalance the portfolio and to ensure that I'm into fundamentally sound stocks here. Because CRWV and NBIS, basically the backdoor story is still sound and solid. However, it's a very growth stock here. So fluctuation is up and down, very big drastic change so that the premiums are attractive. However, when it's in a drawdown, it's also very volatile, and then it will also take out a lot of accessibility. So I did all this just to maintain a positive accessibility to ensure that my portfolio is still intact here. I think that's all for now. So remember to like this YouTube video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell and have a great day ahead. Signing off here.